What if I told you the most powerful, luxurious, and futuristic cars of 2027 are about to change the way we see driving forever? From a 1600 horsepower hypercar to a silent, ultra-luxury electric masterpiece. These machines are not just cars, they are engineering marvels, but only one can be the best. Today, we're revealing the top 5 best cars of 2027, starting from number 1 all the way to number 5. Let's begin. Taking the number 1 spot is the breathtaking Bugatti Mistral. This hypercar represents the ultimate level of automotive engineering. Under the hood lies the legendary quad-turbocharged U16 engine producing an incredible 1600 horsepower. That means insane acceleration, unbelievable top speed, and performance that only a few cars on Earth can match. What makes the Mistral even more special is that it's the final Bugatti ever to use the iconic W16 engine. With its aggressive roadster design, luxurious interior, and extreme exclusivity, the Bugatti Mistral isn't just a car, it's a piece of automotive history. At number 2, we have the ultra-luxurious Rolls-Royce Spectre. This is Rolls-Royce's first fully electric luxury car, marking a new era for the legendary brand. The Spectre delivers an incredibly smooth, silent, and refined driving experience. Inside, the cabin feels like a private luxury lounge, filled with handcrafted materials, beautiful lighting, and unmatched attention to detail. It perfectly proves that the future of luxury is electric. Coming in at number 3 is the legendary Porsche 911 Turbo S, known as one of the best performance machines ever created. The 911 Turbo S delivers around 640 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just about 2.6 seconds. But what truly makes this car special is its perfect balance of power, precision, and everyday usability. It's a supercar that you can actually drive every day while still enjoying world-class performance. At number 4, we have the stunning Mercedes-AMG GT. This car combines luxury, aggressive styling, and pure performance. Powered by a thrilling twin-turbo V8 engine, the AMG GT delivers powerful acceleration and a deep, roaring exhaust sound that car lovers adore. Its wide stance, sharp design, and advanced AMG performance technology make it one of the most exciting sports cars on the road. And finally, at number 5, we have the futuristic luxury sedan, the BMW i7. The i7 represents the next generation of luxury and technology. One of its most impressive features is the massive 31-inch BMW theater screen, turning the rear seats into a personal cinema. Combined with a quiet electric powertrain, advanced driver assistance systems, and a stunning modern interior, the BMW i7 delivers one of the most high-tech luxury experiences in the automotive world. So these were the top 5 best cars of 2027, from record-breaking hypercars to futuristic luxury sedans. But now the real question is, which one would you choose? The unstoppable Bugatti Mistral, the ultra-luxurious Rolls-Royce Spectre, or the futuristic BMW i7? Let us know your favorite in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing car content. Thanks for watching Car Vibe Studio, and we'll see you in the next video.